A warm welcome to my sweet children. In previous session we saw ascending order, descending order, comparing numbers, forming smallest and greatest three-digit numbers, and at last we saw even numbers and odd numbers. Today we are going to see the next chapter, that is addition. What is the symbol here? The symbol here is the addition symbol. This symbol we use it when we add. So without using this symbol, if you add, it becomes wrong. So whenever you do addition, you should always use this symbol. This symbol implies that you are adding the particular numbers. Come, let us see the terms used in addition. Addends. What is addends? Have you heard what is addends? Yes, you would have heard. Come, let us see in detail. When you're adding two numbers, that is 2 and 6, you have to put plus symbol. Only then it says that you are adding the numbers. So let us add 6 in your mind, 2 in your finger. After 6, 7 and 8. The answer is 8 here. And what is 2 and 6 is called as? 2 and 6 is called as addends. Addends, the number to be added is called as addends. So, wherever you add numbers to get the answer, those numbers are called as addends. So, let us see the next term in the addition. Next term is sum. What is sum? Let us have an example here. Here we are adding 5 and 4. So while adding, what symbol you should use? You should use plus symbol. So 5 plus 4. 5 in your mind, 4 in your finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 is the answer. So as we discussed earlier, 5 and 4 is called as addends and 9 is called as sum. So while adding two numbers, the answer we are getting is called as sum, or it can be also said as total. So addition. While adding, the answer we get is called as sum. The numbers to be added is called as addends. Here you can say 5 as the first addend and 4 as the second addend. What is this? Have you seen this before? Yes, we have seen this before. This is ones, this is tens, and this is hundreds. What is ones? Ones is always one single blocks. And what is tens? Tens is made of 10 one blocks. See here, in tens we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. In 110 we have 10 single blocks, that is 10 ones. So tens, 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. Then what is hundreds? 100 is made of 10 tens. If you see here, you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 100 is made of 10 tens and 1 tens is made of 10 ones. By seeing this picture, what do you understand? Let me explain. In ones place, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. In ones place, we have 14 blocks. But as we discussed earlier, in ones place, we should have only single digit number. But here we are having 14 ones. So what we should do? We should group 10 blocks, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 blocks, and we have to move it to the tens place as what? As 1 tens. So as we discussed earlier, 1 ten is made of 10 one blocks. Here in the tens place, all 10 one blocks has been moved together, that is regrouped and moved together as 1 10 blocks. So you can say that you have 1 tens and 4 ones, which makes it as 1 4, which makes it as 14. What is this process is called as? Any guesses? This process is called as regrouping or carryover. When you have more than 9 ones in one's place, it has been regrouped and moved to the tens place. So it can be either called as regrouping or carrying over. Let us do sums without regrouping, that is without carrying over. Here we have tens place and in ones place. In ones place we have 5 and 3. In tens place we have 5 and 0. While adding, what symbol you should put? You should put plus symbol. Yes, so let us add 5 in your mind, 3 in your finger. After 5, 6, 7 and 8. Next in tens place, 5 in your mind, 0 in your finger, which means any number added with 0 will give you the same number. So 5 plus 0 is 5. So without regrouping means you will not be having any number to be carried over to the tens place. As we said, in ones place, if you have more than 9 ones, here we have 8. So there is no need to carry over, that is, there is no need to regroup here. Let us do another sum. Again we have tens place and ones place. In ones place we have 3 and 4. In tens place we have 1 and 6. While adding, what symbol we should put? You should put plus symbol. Only then it implies that you are doing addition. Come, let us add. Always keep the bigger number in your mind and smaller number in your finger. 4 in your mind, 3 in your finger. After 4, 5, 6 and 7. 6 in your mind, 1 in your finger. After 6, it is 7. So 77. Let us do another sum in without regrouping, that is without carrying over. Here we have again tens place and ones place. In ones place we have 6 and 3. In tens place we have 9 and 1. So what symbol you should put? You should put addition symbol. Come, let us add. 6 in your mind, 3 in your finger. After 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 in your mind, 1 in your finger. After 9, it is 10. Yes, children, these are the examples for addition without regrouping. Come, let us see few sums with additions with regrouping. Regrouping is also called as carrying over. Here we have tens place and ones place. In ones place we have 5 and 8. In tens place we have 4. So while adding, what symbol you should put? You should put addition symbol. So while adding, you have to keep the bigger number in your mind. So 8 in your mind, 5 in your finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So in 13, we will be putting 3 here and remaining 1. That is 10 ones. 10 ones has been carried over to the tens place. So 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer is 53. Next sum. We have tens place and ones place. In ones place we have 9 and 4. In tens place we have 2 and 5. So addition, while adding you have to put addition symbol. In ones place we have 9 and 4. Take the bigger number in your mind. 9 in your mind, 4 in your finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So the answer is 13. In 13, in ones place we have 3. In tens place we have 1. So we are writing 3 in the ones place, and this 110 is being carried over to the tens place as 110. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 5. 5 in your mind, 3 in your finger. After 5, 6, 7 and 8. So the answer is 83. Next we have in ones place 6 and 4. In tens place we have 8 and 1. So while adding you should put addition symbol. So let us add. In ones place you have 6 and 4. 6 is the greatest number, so keep it in mind, and 4 is the less number, keep it in your finger. 6 in your mind, 4 in your finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So the answer is 10. So in 10, if you see, 0 is in ones place and 1 is in the tens place. So let us put 0 in the ones place and move the 10 ones as 1 tens to the tens place. That is 8 plus 1 is 9 and 9 plus 1 is 10. So the answer is 100. So regrouping means you will be carrying over or regrouping the 10 ones as 1 tens and you will move it to the tens place. Yes, children. In this session, we saw what is addition and terms used in addition, that is add-ins and sum, and we saw addition with regrouping and without regrouping. In next session we will be seeing addition with regrouping and without regrouping with 3-digit numbers, and we will see the properties of addition. Until then, take care, stay home and stay safe. Thank you, children.